Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to set up Google Analytics and connect it to your WordPress website. Whether you're new to analytics or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with simple, easy-to-follow steps. So, let's dive in. Alright, let's start by creating a Google Analytics account. First, head over to analytics.google.com and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, click Next. Click the Start Measuring button to get started. Now, you'll see a page asking for your account details. For the account name. When creating a Google Analytics account, the account name typically represents your business, website, or organization. The account name should be something that makes it easy to identify the entity you're tracking, especially if you manage multiple properties. Review the data sharing options and select the ones that suit you best. Then click Next. Next up, we'll set up a property. This is where your website data will be stored. You can create up to 100 properties, so don't worry if you manage multiple sites. For the property name, I'll use TVT, The Vanilla Theory. Make sure to set the correct reporting time zone and currency that match your location. Then click Next. Here, you'll need to fill out some basic business details, like your industry category. Selecting the right industry category matters. The industry category you select helps Google Analytics provide you with relevant benchmarking data. This means that you can compare your website's performance to similar businesses in your industry. Choosing the correct category helps tailor the analytics reports to your specific sector, so you can make more informed decisions. You can change the industry category later if you feel your choice wasn't ideal, so don't stress too much if you're unsure. Select your business size. Once that's done, click Next. In this section, you'll select your business objectives. I usually choose Other to keep it flexible. Once you've made your choice, click Create. And accept the terms. Now, it's time to set up data collection. I'll select Web since we're tracking a website. Enter your domain name. In Google Analytics, the stream name refers to the data stream you're creating to collect data from a specific platform, such as a website or app. It's essentially the source from which your data will flow into Google Analytics. Also keep Steam name here as The Vanilla Theory as we are collecting data from website here. Then click Create and Continue. After everything is set up, you'll receive your tracking code. This is called the global site tag. Make sure to copy it. Click the copy icon to copy the GTag code. Or you can select the GTag code and copy it using Ctrl+C. As we'll need it in the next step to connect Google Analytics to your WordPress site. Now, let's add the tracking code to your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance Theme File Editor. Find the header.php file on the right side under the Theme Files section. Click File Name header.php and paste your Google Analytics tracking code right before the closing head tag. Click Update File. Go to analytics.google.com and press Enter. When you open Analytics for the first time after setting it up, you'll see some pop-ups. Just follow the instructions, take any necessary actions, and move forward. After adding the code, give it about 24 hours for the data to start appearing in your Google Analytics dashboard. To check if it's working, visit the real-time report in Analytics and look for live visitor data. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site. Now you can track important interactions and make data-driven decisions to grow your website. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.